Oh, I'm so happy to be home. What a long week. Here we are. It's been such a long, uncomfortable week. I think I need to get dressed into something more comfortable and make some food. Let's go make some food. We will make some macaroni and cheese with SPAM. And thanks to all our voters, they have decided to use the Hickory Smoked SPAM in tonight's recipe. Today we're gonna go ahead and make the SPAM macaroni and cheese that I found in the wonderful cookbook. So the ingredients are gonna include, obviously, our macaroni, elbow macaroni, our little bit of Dijon mustard, a little bit of cayenne, pinch of salt and pepper, a little tiny bit of butter, breadcrumbs, and of course we gotta have our cheese, and a little tiny bit of cream cheese, and also our dairy products. Oh, I think there might be something in my pocket. Ooh, it's my Hickory Smoking SPAM. Time to open our SPAM, my favorite time of the day. Let's go ahead and use our friend the slicer. Finally found it. I thought Becky had hidden it from me, but we located it. So we will go ahead and make one pass. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just cube this all up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put our pan on the oven and heat it up. Put some olive oil in there so it doesn't stick, and we're gonna brown this up. Let's remove it from our pan and set it aside. Over medium heat, combine milk and macaroni. So we need 4 cups of milk, 2.5 cups. Bring to a simmer, cook 5 to 6 minutes, stirring to prevent sticking until macaroni is tender. Let's go ahead and measure out our cheese. 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I like the sharp stuff. That's 2 cups. 1/2 cup of our mozzarella. We need to cut the cheese and then we'll put it in with our other cheese. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter. Throw that in there. A teaspoon of Dijon Mustard, because we always like the French. Put in my cream cheese, and we mix. Oh, wait, we forgot to put our SPAM in. Let's do that now. Just mix that in. In a small microwavable bowl, I'm gonna use this. Melt remaining 2 tablespoons of butter. Add breadcrumbs, stirring to coat. Sprinkle mixture on top of the macaroni and cheese. So we're gonna do that now. Tablespoon. Clean microwave, I might add. Crumbs. Mix that up with your butter, and now we're gonna sprinkle this on top. Just kind of put that in there and we'll spread it all around the top to give it a little bit of crunch. Put the oven on broil. I'm gonna do it on low broil. So make sure you put it in your dirty oven, about the middle rack or so, and now we wait for our perfection. Let's check to see if it's done. We gotta put our glove on. Oh, it's nicely browned on top. It's done. All right, Eva, I can't wait to try this. I love comfort food and comfortable macaroni and cheese. Let's give it a shot. You ready?
Yep.
Oh my.
That's fantastic.
Spamtastic is what they say. Thanks for joining us, and make sure you like and subscribe. And let us know how you like this recipe. Hopefully you try it out. And if you know anybody else that would like this kind of thing, let them know. I would love to have more in our spamily. See you next time.